Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that how we can calculate percentage in Microsoft Excel. There are many ways to calculate percentage in Microsoft Excel. So if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell notification because 82% of audience are watching our videos but they did not subscribe it. If you will give the subscription, so we will get the motivation and we will make some enthusiastic session for you in the future as well. So let's start today's session. So first of all, need to open a Microsoft Excel. Now there is a table available which have a sales, and at the end there is a sum available in this table that how much sales we have produced in the year. So we need to check that which of the month have we the sales percentage and how much sales we have produced and which is the highest sales month in the year. So one way is that you need to click on the cell and then click on is equal to, then open the bracket and then take the sales and then divide it from the total sales and close the bracket and multiply the 100. So it will lay 15%. So if I will select over here, drag it and I will press Alt is equals to, then it will make the sum for us. So you can see there is no sales have been calculated from the month of Feb to December, because if I will click on this and press F2, you can see the column have been dropped down. So we need to fix the column, the C17 column, which is our total sales. Now how we can fix it to all the cells, then we need to click on once again D5 and then we go to C17, and over here we need to add a dollar sign to fix it that this value will not change. It means that the reference will not change. In every cell you need to take the reference from C17. So now I am clicking once again and now I will drop it at till December. Now you can see all the percentage are calculated and is equals to 100%. The other way is to calculate percentages. You just need to press the percentage formula. Now all the cells are converted into percentage. This is the percentage formula sign over here, and now you can simply type is equal to and then select the sales and then divide it to total sales and enter it. Now you can see now the 15% have been appeared. Now once again we need to fix the reference cell, which is our C17, which is our total sales. So we will double click on it and we will fix the reference that you always take the reference from C17. So I will take it over here and then click it. And now I will drop over here. So you can see all the percentage are calculated. Now you can see there is a total of percentage is 1. It is because that the format have been changed. These are all converted in percentage format, but this is not converted in percentage format. So what we need to do is we need to just click on this cell and then click on percentage. Now you can see the percentage of total have been also 100%, and it will show us that we have calculated correctly. So I hope that you will like this session and you will like this video. Thank you.